This weekend, 200 Europeans took part in a historic event, bringing together citizens from 27 member states. People from all walks of life came to the European Parliament in Strasbourg to participate in the first European Citizens Panel of the Conference on the Future of Europe.
We wanted to start to hear your desires, your demands, your ideas, your intentions, your fears also, your hopes about the future of Europe.
For 3 days, they discussed issues including tackling youth unemployment, better social protection for all workers, and the importance of access to sports and culture for everyone.
I think it's an opportunity of a lifetime, meeting so many people from so much countries. Everyone brings their own story, brings their own piece to the puzzle, and it's just so amazing, colorful.
Both in small working groups and all together, they debated how to make the EU more sustainable and socially just. Citizens highlighted the challenges and opportunities of digitalization and AI, especially for younger generations.
Je voulais débattre de certains sujets comme l'économie, pour la justice sociale, pour l'école, l'éducation et la transition numérique.
Another 200 EU citizens will participate in next weekend's panel on European values and democracy. This will be the second of 4 panels covering key themes related to the future of Europe. The outcome of the panels will help shape the conference conclusions in 2022.